So if you wish to change the highlight color that you could see and ignore the ugly looking mouse, I was creating another tutorial for it to change the mouse. And here you could see it is showing the default blue color, and the way you could fix it is by basically using this code and place it in your additional CSS. So basically go into the customize. I'll show you guys how to do it. Go into customize. You could also go it from what you call in dashboard, and then click on additional CSS, and I'm going to paste it. I'm using blue, but you could use any hash value if you want to, like hash FFF or whichever value you wish to. I'm just simply going to choose blue, and let's reload it. And you could see it is changing pretty easily. But what about if you wish to have different color for this sections? And yeah, you could see, then what you need to do is basically go in your container. I'm using Elementor Pro for this one. If you don't have Elementor Pro, you could use the link in the description to buy it, or you could use Royal add-ons for Elementor, which adds in another free added custom CSS panel around here. If you don't wish to buy Elementor Pro, but I would suggest buying it so that you have one less plugin to worry about. You could use any other page builder you want, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this one, and what I've done is it's simple. For main, whichever thing or whichever content here has class of main, it will show the background color to red. And in this one we have also set for h1, h2, h3, h6 tag and p tag to show background color red. And I wasn't able to do it in like one single thing, so I just decided to make it like this because it is working. So let's go into this section, and I'm going to give it a class of main. You could see the paragraph. I've given it class of main. In this section I have given this one class of main, and just to make sure I'll also give this one a class of main like this. And then I'll go into this container, go into the custom CSS panel. You could actually use it in any container, but I suggest to keep it in the top level and add it around here. And again, you don't really need to use custom CSS. You could also add this around here like this, and it would still work. I'll show you at the end of the video. So let's just publish it, wait for it to refresh, and then here you could see it is still working. Or sorry, if you go here, you could see it is still showing blue because this one doesn't have any CSS, this main CSS class. And here if I click, well, I cannot drag it around here, so ignore that. But here you could see it is changed to red. Only for this section it is not showing for the button because we haven't given it the main class. But how about I try removing this one, and you, let's say, don't want to do it via custom CSS. So right now you could say it is default, so I'll just paste it in my additional CSS, which is the free version. Every every theme would have this, and it would still work. You could see it still works, but I would suggest simply to have one simple selection one so that it's consistent with your design. But you could also make sure that only one of this has this thing. For example, if you wish to do something like very creative, then sure, go for it.